Are you looking for high-resolution models, easy texture animation, and over 15 all-free add-ons? Well, here we go. Hello guys and welcome back. This is Architecture Topics, and in this video we have for you couple of free assets and add-ons that you shouldn't miss. So without any further ado, let us jump into it. At number 1, we have the Flow Map Painter, which gives a direction to textures movements with simple brush paint. The add-on is available on Gumroad for free. Still, you can support the author, and go try it now. It is really worth it. Next in line we have not 1, not 2, but 13 free add-ons made possible by Amandeep Gumroad page. In it you can find free tools from importing decals, to check UV viewer, cavity style render, and many more, all of them at one click away. So try it now. Honestly amazing stuff. The AI Render is a free tool that can change how the final scene or render will look based on just simple words, which works through AI diffusion to change the style of the scene, and it's all happening inside Blender. I really don't think it has a practical side, especially for ArchViz, except that it's fun, though I might be wrong. So if you want to try it, the link is in the description down below. Next we have the Slime add-on, and GUI stuff sometimes needed in sci-fi and fantasy environments. And this tool works very well and super easy in delivering that. This one is also made by the same author who gave us the Ivy Pen tool. So once you install the add-on, the tab for it is found in the side panel, and it's just pressing append, then selecting objects, and connecting the slime between them. Really awesome to play with. You can also see the settings in the modifier section and just change any option available, and they all are keyframeable, so have fun. At last, we have the really amazing Sci-Fi asset collection from Kit Bash. This collection of high-resolution assets goes from simple small models to entire buildings and spaceships, can help you build an out-of-space city with no time. The possibility of renders is more than we can count. The kit we saw called Mission to Minerva, and it's all free to download. Once you go down there, you can just do a normal sign up to get the assets in Blender or any of the other available formats. Though this being not for Blender alone and with a high resolution level, it's wise to proceed with caution if you're operating on a low-end PC. And maybe try appending the assets one by one and not open the entire file at the same time. And that's it. Don't forget to like and share the video for more awesome stuff on the way. And until next time, stay sharp, goodbye.